In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join the Kajabi Affiliate Partner Program full guide. To get started, head over to the Kajabi Partner Program page. Once you're there, take a moment to review the program details carefully. This is important because Kajabi outlines the benefits, expectations, and eligibility requirements right on the page, and understanding those up front can help you decide whether this is the right fit for you. Next, determine which partner type matches your business model. Kajabi generally offers two main categories. The first is affiliate, which is best suited for content creators, YouTubers, bloggers, coaches, and influencers. In this role, you promote Kajabi through content and referral links. The second option is agency or freelancer, also known as a service provider. This is a better fit for virtual assistants, funnel builders, web designers, marketing agencies, and Kajabi specialists who help clients build and grow their businesses on the platform while earning commissions. If your goal is to promote Kajabi to your audience, the affiliate option is usually the one you'll want. After that, complete the application form. You'll typically be asked to provide standard business and contact information such as your name, email address, business name, website URL, country, whether you already have a Kajabi account, and details about your audience or business type. You'll also need to choose whether you're applying as an affiliate or a service provider. Be sure your information is accurate and up to date, since that can help avoid delays during the review process. Once the application is filled out, review everything carefully. Then accept the partner program terms and submit your application. After submission, Kajabi will review your information and notify you about the next steps. If your application is approved, you'll be able to access your partner dashboard. This is where you'll manage your activity as a partner. Inside the dashboard, you can view your referral links, access promotional materials, and track clicks, referrals, and commissions. It's essentially your main control center for managing your promotions and measuring performance. From there, locate your unique affiliate link and copy it. You can use this link in blog posts, YouTube descriptions, email newsletters, social media posts, tutorials, and reviews. Kajabi may also provide marketing assets and ready-made campaigns, which can make it easier to promote consistently. Once you have your link, start promoting Kajabi through tutorials, platform reviews, comparison articles,